Welcome to another edition of As a Matter of Tax. On today's program, we will be focusing on a very important topic, withholding tax. Withholding tax is a third-party tax applied to amounts paid or payable to non-residents for services rendered. The justification and rates for the application of withholding tax are prescribed in Section 66 and the third schedule of the Income Tax Act. Residents who collect payments on behalf of non-residents are required to remit the amounts due to the Inland Revenue Department, IRD. However, if payment is made directly through a bank or other agent, that bank or agent is responsible for deducting, accounting for, and remitting the tax to the IRD. The following payments are subject to withholding tax: A. Interest or discounts. B. Rentals, lease premiums, or licenses in respect of real property. C. Royalties and rentals of movable property. D. Management charges or fees for provision of personal, technical, or managerial services. E. Commissions or fees not related to employment. F. Annuities or other periodic payments such as alimony and maintenance. G. Distribution of income from a trust. H. Insurance premiums, excluding reinsurance premiums. I. Any other payment deemed to be of income nature that is not treated as employment income. The rates of withholding tax are as follows: real estate rentals, 10%, management fees, interest, and royalties accruing to residents of a CARICOM member state and paid by another CARICOM member state, 15%. All other payments, 20%. Additionally, insurance premiums arising in Saint Vincent and the Grenadines are subject to withholding tax in cases where the company is non-resident and not registered in the country. However, this does not apply to associations of underwriters, which are treated as individuals for taxation purposes and are subject to a special tax regime. The department therefore wishes to remind business owners and accounting officers that it is their responsibility to deduct the applicable withholding tax from all payments made to non-resident companies and individuals for services performed in Saint Vincent and the Grenadines. The due date for remitting tax is the 15th of the month following the month in which the payment was made. Interest at a rate of 1.5% per month will be charged on late payments. Finally, here are this week's reminders. Drivers celebrating birthdays this month shall renew their driver's licenses on or before their birth date. Companies with a January year-end are reminded that their corporation tax returns are due by April 30th. Companies with February year-end must submit their returns by May 31st. Drivers of motor vehicles are reminded that the last digit on their number plate corresponds to the renewal date of their vehicle license. And that's all for today's edition of As a Matter of Tax. Until next time, stay informed, stay compliant, and remember, paying taxes is everybody's business. I am Grace Joseph. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.